Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaQuest app not working. So if this application is not working, which is your MetaQuest app, all you have to do is go to your settings and then you'll have to find general. From general, you'll just have to go to your storage and then you'll have to locate your MetaQuest. So let's just search for MetaQuest right here. So once you find MetaQuest, which is, let's see, there you go, we found MetaQuest. And as you can see right here, all you have to do is actually just offload the application, offload the app, and there you go, and reinstall it. So this will clear all cache and storage from MetaQuest and restore original data files. So if that doesn't still work, all you have to do is go down to your MetaQuest right here from settings, and let's find it again. So MetaQuest is somewhere right here in the bottom. So let's try to find it, and it's right here somewhere. There you go. So MetaQuest. So you'll just have to allow Bluetooth access and the background app refresh from there. And then once it's installed, try again and use your MetaQuest app. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.